At Alfresco Heating, we are truly experts in outdoor heating because of our experience in the field installing and servicing heaters for many years.
We're not only the best at what we do, we're really the only ones that do what we do. Working with natural gas, propane, and electric patio heaters puts us in a really unique position that other resellers just aren't able to be in because they don't have the breadth of experience that we do. They don't have the depth of experience that we do. They've oftentimes never even seen these products outside of a brochure.
Well, I had an experience at my first restaurant in Mill Valley that I didn't use Alfresco, and all the heaters go on all at once and all off at once. It was kind of a disaster, so used them on this project, and it was seamless, flawless, great installation. You know, they told me when they were coming, when they were not coming. Alfresco was completely an amazing choice.
Alfresco Heating takes care of all my restaurants seamlessly. They do repairs, they install, design, build, and do maintenance on my stuff to make sure it's working properly.
We at Alfresco are very concerned about quality, customer service, the overall customer experience. We love to give our customers, on a scale of 1 to 10, we love to give them an 11.
And they do a great job for me, and I would stake my reputation with Alfresco Heating and the quality products that they do.
They show up, they're local, you can talk to the owner. Alfresco's great.
Just call them up, take care of these 10 restaurants, and then they're taken care of.